The Zephyr is the production version of the Zephyr reflection concept car that was unveiled at Auto Shanghai in April 2021. The production version still follows the lines of the handsome concept, although the styling is similar to what you've seen on some Audi models, especially the Audi Model A7 Sportback. The interior is also striking, thanks in part to the digital display that runs the length of the dashboard. Most digital real estate is touch-sensitive, and in the background is an image of the night sky, which Lincoln says was chosen to provide a relaxing experience. Also providing a relaxing experience is the availability of Active Glide, Lincoln's driver assist feature that allows hands-free driving under certain conditions, though with the driver required to keep an eye on things at all times. The Zephyr stretches 196 inches, which is a few inches longer than the previous MKZ, the sedan that the Zephyr replaces, and the interior should be spacious thanks to a long wheelbase of 114 inches. The Zephyr will go on sale first in 2022. Initially it will be offered with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine and an 8-speed automatic. Front drive and all wheels must be available. A hybrid powertrain could also be offered at some point. Zephyr's design language will also influence the direction Lincoln's future is headed. Know there are 4 electric Lincoln cars in the works, the first of which will be released in 2022. Current head of design Kamal Kurik in June said he would expect minimalist body panels on future Lincolns, as well as lighting elements across the front end connecting the headlights. And a large glass roof to allow natural light into the cabin. Lincoln is bringing back the historic Zephyr name for a new concept car specifically for the market. While the luxury brand recently scrapped the MKZ and Continental models and now only sells SUVs here, customers in the area are much more interested in the body style of the 4-door sedan. The concept seems to be an indicator of what the new Lincoln luxury sedan will look like. For doubt it means much, but it's interesting to imagine an alternative track for the Lincoln. I don't know much detail about the Zephyr concept, so it's hard to tell if it's the size of a Continental replacement or if it's a smaller entry similar to the now defunct Fusion-based MKZ. The styling is reminiscent of what you've seen on the Aviator and Corsair SUVs and has a fastback-like greenhouse at the rear. Inside, it has a wall-to-wall display, just like the current trend. Lincoln also gave no indication of the base or powertrain of the Zephyr concept car.